probably easier if I do a little video, but I don't really normally do this sort of thing. Right, so your gel coat is your resin. So that's 1 litre of gel. So if this was your camper roof, right, what we would do, obviously I'm going to use a lot more hardener than you will because it's currently only 9 degrees outside. So what I would do, pour my hardener into my 1 litre, give it a very good mix. Make sure it's mixed really well. Otherwise what's going to happen is a certain amount of it won't go off and a certain amount will. And then you're going to be in a world of shit. So give it a good mix. That's it. Right. There's my matting. So what I would do, get my brush and then paint over the roof that you've just keyed. Okay, just a nice thin layer. That's it. Then what I would do is I would lay my matting over the top. Make sure there's not too many bubbles. And then I would get my gel and I would dab it on. Now you can see when it soaks it up, hopefully you can see that because the camera angle is a bit but when it soaks it up you can see the fibres come through. Now I'll show you what on this other half over here, what I meant about not, if you don't dab it. So if you now brush it on, what you'll find is the fibres start shifting. This is the way that you don't want to do it because the fibres start shifting and it goes clumpy. Can you see it moving? That's what you don't want. As you can see there, it's clumpy, so your roof would look a mess. Now by doing it this way, that's good enough. Once that goes off, that is totally 100% watertight. I hope that helps. Incorrect way, correct way. Now in 10 minutes time, that'll go off and it'll be solid. Cheers mate, any more help, give us a call.